everyone, let me introduce myself and my partner. I'm Kira Audrey.
And I'm Jaslyn Sumadi Harja.
We are from SMAK 1 BPK Penabur Bandung.
Now we will talk about Bandung as a creative culinary city in the Dutch colonial period from 1899 to 1942. Why do we feel the need to bring up the topic of Bandung's emergence as a culinary city during the Dutch colonial period? As you can see from the picture, Bandung is already overrun with modern eateries and cafes because it is a hub for culinary trends and a favorite destination for young people. Only a few culinary enthusiasts consider consuming old colonial era culinary recipes, and even then, only the elderly who miss the past. In reality, there are several restaurants in the city that are mute witnesses to historical events that occurred during the Dutch colonial period. For example, Braga Permai and Rasa Bakery. As a result, we intend to delve deeper into the evolution of Bandung as a culinary city during the Dutch colonial period. The findings of this study are anticipated to be helpful in raising public awareness of the significance of conserving the Dutch colonial culinary legacy as one of Indonesia's cultural treasures, particularly in the city of Bandung.
The research method used by researchers is the historical method, which consists of 4 bases, including heuristics, criticism, interpretation, and historiography. To get data, researchers use methods of literature study and interview. There are 2 variables in this study, namely, first, the independent variable is the Dutch colonial era in Indonesia, especially in the city of Bandung, and second, the dependent variable is the culinary city of Bandung. The data analysis technique used in this research is the Spreadly technique, which consists of 2 bases, namely domain analysis and taxonomic analysis. In addition, the researchers also compared this research with a similar study entitled Tracking the Roots of Creativity in the Colonial City of Bandung, written by Ahmad Sunjayadi from University of Indonesia. Construction of Jalan Raya Pos, which was turned to the south, became the forerunner of the city of Bandung. Bandung has started to be visited as a holiday destination, especially by Priangan planters or plantation entrepreneurs, since the Priangan area was opened to the public. The construction of Jalan Braga is closely related to the construction of Jalan Raya Pos. One of the triggers for the development of Brahawe was the establishment of the Freeze store in 1899. The basil of the Freeze made the area around it grow so that various restaurants were established. Growth of markets like Pasar Baru, which was established in 1906, has led to an increase in the prevalence of culinary culture in the city of Bandung. Then, around 1920, the city of Bandung started to grow with numerous stalls and traveling vendors selling traditional sweets and market snacks. One snack that reflects the effect of Dutch East in this acculturation is kue balok. Another dish is peyem sampel, which the Dutch began to recognize in the 1890s. Additionally, there are a number of dining establishments that date back to the Dutch colonial era, including first Braga Permai Resto and Cafe or Maison Boheroid, which was established in 1918. Currently, Braga Permai still maintains authentic menus such as on beach cook and butter stuff. Second, Bandung's Milk Central or BMC, which was established in 1928. Currently, BMC sells various dairy products such as yogurt and milkshakes. Third, Sumber Hidangan or Het Snoepwis, which was established in 1929. This place sells some cakes such as Bokenpuch and Swikkerbok. Fourth, Warung Kopi Purnama, which was established in 1930. The most legendary menus here are Srikaya bread and milk coffee. And last one, Rasa Bakery and Cafe, which was established in 1936. The most popular menu here is Coco Royal ice cream.
This study and Ahmad Sunjayadi's study, Tracking the Roots of Creativity in Bandung in the Colonial Period, are comparable in that they both focus on Bandung's culinary history during Dutch colonial period. Also mentions the establishment of the free shop in the 1890s. The distinction is that Ahmad Sunjayadi's research focuses on Bandung's creative roots, which dates back to the colonial era, while the other's research focus on how Bandung evolved as a culinary city during the Dutch colonial period. Based on the findings of the research described above, it can be said that Bandung evolved into a culinary city during the Dutch colonial period, which was prompted by the building of Jalan Raya Pos in 1808 and started with the establishment of the Free Shop in 1899, Pasar Baru in 1906, also People's Amusement Parks, stalls, and traveling vendors in 1920. This study provides a foundation for future studies on how Indonesian cities evolved as gastronomic hubs during the Dutch colonial era. As a follow-up to this research, researchers are interested in holding a culinary festival, Taste of Bandung Tempo Dulu. This festival will be filled with various Bandung culinary delights from the Dutch era. The aim of holding this culinary festival is to preserve the culinary heritage of the Dutch colonial, as well as provide space and opportunities for MSMEs in the culinary field to develop. Researchers are also interested in combining and acculturating colonial heritage culinary recipes with local wisdom in Priangan through Bandung Dutch Tastiest Fusion Fruit Program. For example, on beach cook, mixed with peyem, taro, or Priangan coffee. Here are some references that we use.
So that's all from us. Thank you for listening.